You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I already did a review about this normally like diorama, but I'm only going to take a close look at Vegeta. And the reason why, because I found myself a bootleg edition in a collection I purchased from somebody else's. And I just wanted to do a quick side-by-side comparison. There are a lot of like Captain Obvious moments, especially when you're looking at the base. But how is the quality of the figure and how will they compare? So the funny thing is, like, I have been complaining about that these bases are way too high and they will take up a lot of space. And guess what? The freaking bootleg has just a very short base. But I think the main reason is because this thing isn't a diorama. So where we have like this option with the original one, then you need to put in like Goku and make this epic diorama I already made a video about. I think it was Goku and Bardock. You don't have the option with the fake one over here. This is like what you see is what you're going to get. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is like pull this thing off the base. And the reason why, I just wanted to show you the figure itself, because there we're going to get a lot of differences and a lot of issues with the bootleg and the fake one. So let's do a quick overview of that. Okay, so when it comes to the pose itself, you can see already some differences. So first of all, like they tilted the head differently, and also it looks kind of small compared with the original one, but it can be me, of course. The eyes, they look okay, or they look great on this one. They look okay on the right one. The mouth, you can see like how much more detailed it is with the original one. At the left over here, the body has been totally redone with the bootleg. You can see over here they got this very pale like color, a combination with a little bit of a glossy. Like his body is absolutely different. You can see like the paint job is horrendous with this fake one, and you can just see that there is so many big differences. The weird thing is, like, and it's kind of funny, so when you're looking at the hair, I personally really will love the touch of this metallic look, but when you're looking at the back, you can see like the mold lines with the original one are like really noticeable, and I find it really annoying. You don't have it over here, but with the fake one do have like this gigantic gap between. So there we do have like a draw, if you ask me. So when you're looking at the booth and everything, also here we're going to get some differences. This has some shadow effect in the middle. It does just have like this plain white color. So when you're looking at both figures, so the bootleg itself, I don't know, like I just want to do a quick side-by-side comparison, and you can see like the bootleg is absolutely completely different and such a, let's say, less quality. The size of this thing is absolutely different. Look at this, like say, his middle. You can see like with the original one, it looks so much more beefcake. Yeah, so this is basically one of those, like say, a lot of like say differences that you're going to get with this. But nevertheless, I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and let me know what you think of these figures in general. It's kind of weird that the bootleg doesn't even have the option for adding a Goku to it. Yeah, they just want to sell it like as is. But in overall, like I think nothing beats the original with this one. The bootleg, I don't know if there's like a better bootleg out there. I just randomly like pick one up from a fellow collector and just want to do this comparison. Again, like it's going to be like in gambling sometimes with these bootlegs. They can be out there, they're like really good from different figures or different manufacturers, but some are like really bad or like a lesser quality. It's more the question, what makes you happy? Of course, we do have like a price difference between them. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the biggest family, and it would be great to see you in the next video.